Canva, an Australian multinational software company, has been one of the most revolutionary design tools that completely changed the field. Their unique platform, which allows every person regardless of their design background to create and explore creativity, has contributed to their recent popularity. By empowering everyday people with a quick and easy-to-use interface for design, Canva has developed a reputation among its users as one of the most adaptable and user-friendly design platforms. That's not all. Besides creating a great platform that simplifies design for everyone, Canva offers cost-effective pricing along with a free version, allowing the general public to use it as a great alternative to giants like Adobe, where users don't have to pay hefty fees for complex software to navigate design for their business. Like every software platform, Canva has had its fair share of updates, and it has definitely outdone itself in recent months. One of the major updates in Canva is the AI-powered tools and Canva Glow Up. Now, it's back with a new update this month called Canva Droptober. Here are the exciting new features you can try out in Canva's October drop. We've all seen the wonders of AI-generated images, but not all of us can afford or have the necessary skills to use the tools to generate such images. That's why Canva Dream Lab is a great addition to your toolkit, where you can reimagine what you want without spending a ton on production and labor. With clear instructional videos and written steps that allow you to understand and try out the features, Canva makes this journey even better, as always. While we've had tools like Magic Write, charts, and other features as part of the Magic Studio launch, this new phase of AI additions is a game changer. You can write like ChatGPT, access creative works from prominent artists, and even get music. If you're a small business or a student, the customizable work toolkits are an ultimate addition to your arsenal. Adding emotions is practically impossible, especially if you're creating content for your business's social media platforms. However, adding characters that convey the emotions associated with your topic can improve audience engagement and enhance their connection with your business. And what better way to do that than with our beloved Disney characters? Canva's new features allow you to integrate Disney characters into your animations and illustrations with ease. Every tool you use today is important, which is why you also need a thorough understanding of how it works and what benefits it has for you while using the platform. Whether you're a small business trying to use Canva for marketing or a large-scale business streamlining presentations and documents, understanding updates holds the power to elevate your content and its visualization. However, not everyone has the time or ability to create visuals for their brand, right? So why not outsource your work to reputable marketing agencies like Bizionic Technologies, where you can leverage a team with 20+ years of expertise to enhance your brand's digital image? Contact the Bizionic team at info@bizionictech.com, and to know more about who we are, visit our website now.